Hi, this is Mrs. McDermott, and I thought I would just send this quick video and show you and Haley how to maneuver around It's Learning. She does use It's Learning in school, so this should be pretty familiar for her. But we are really changing how you should see every class, and this might make it a lot easier to find work. But I'm going to walk you through where to find my work. So when she first logs on, she can see all of her classes, and she's going to open up Mrs. McDermott's 8th grade health class. And all of the plans are literally in order with the dates that I assigned them and the due dates right here. I just added these dates in right now to be able to explain this to you because these closing dates, I ended up having, the only way that I can keep them on this page is if I have them closing all the way at the end of school. So these are in order though. So week 1, week 2, she has to click on show more. And for some reason, students are not doing this piece of it, and this is why they can't see the rest of the work. I'm sorry, I need to change this. I'm going to change this so this is a student view. I was looking at the teacher view. This is actually what she will see. Exactly, her page will look exactly like this. She knows she's in my class, but here's my name, 8th grade, here are the plans. So again, she has to click on show more to get to the next assignment. So each of these assignments, it looks confusing because there's lots of stuff to choose from. You are not going to touch any of these pieces. They're all put together on something called a playlist. So this will make it a lot easier to follow. You're not going to touch any of these pieces. You're just going to click on the start. Once you click on the start, here's what the assignment is. So the first thing you're going to do is watch this video, and this video walks you through everything, explains what I expect you to do. So over here is how you move through this playlist. So after you watch the video, you just click on go to the next resource. This is the next assignment. It's all written out here for her. And actually I think there's an immersive reader. I think that on their computers it'll actually read it to them. Click on, when she's finished with this, click on next resource. Takes a moment for this one to load. So these are just directions on how to, or what she's going to be doing, choosing 3 boxes and then just doing the directions in the boxes. And once she's shows evidence and explains what she does, go to the next resource. And I haven't looked at this. I don't think that she's done this one, but if she has, then you can ignore this one. And then click on answer assignment, and you put the assignment in right here. And then she's supposed to grade herself. So when she's done with all the assignments, click on X, and she's done for that week. So for this week, let me scroll down a little bit. There's week 3. Again, you'd only touch that start. Don't even bother touching any of these other places. You just touch start and go through it. So here's week 4. This is where we are right now. Click on start. Now, like I said, everybody should be doing directions just like this. So this is just the directions, the objective, what the assignment is, and then my directions video. I walk them through again exactly what they're supposed to do for each class right here. I mean for the week right there. Here's the next resource. She needs to use this to figure out what she's going to do. She's only going to choose one part of these, the wellness wheel, and then answer 2 of the suggested activities. But she's going to show me what she knows by creating a journal or an online blog. Here are free resources available. I did my example on the s'mores, and I sent that example in an email earlier today to all students and parents, so you should be able to see what my example looks like. This is really easy to use and kind of fun to use, so she could do something like this. So she's going to make an online journal or an online blog, and then she is going to then turn it in. Now those blogs, or that s'mores thing, it won't let me change it to a PDF with the free version, so I actually can't upload that here. What she will do, and again, this is in my instructions I sent out in an email, is she's gonna answer these assessment questions. So did she do her best work? Did she check her spelling? Did she use proper nouns capitalized? Did she provide details? Did she what could she have done to make the project a little better? She's going to assess herself, give herself a little grade here, and then she's also going to say, I sent this to you in an email if she has to email it to me because maybe she can't attach it here. But if she can attach it here, because it's a PowerPoint document or a Sway document or anything like that, she can actually pull it directly off of her OneDrive or her actual computer and pop it in right here and then click on submit. So hopefully that helps. Please let me know if you have additional questions, but it's pretty, as long as she's got a computer, this is pretty easy to follow. But if she's working off of a phone, then that's going to be a little bit different story, and let me know if that's the case. All right, thanks. Bye.